Hi all, I am Deshma. In this video, I am explaining about second section of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. First one, trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. To find out that value, consider a right angle triangle. Right angle at B, that is B is 90 degree, and we should find out trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. So take one of the acute angle as 45 degree, then other becomes 45 degree. How? Because by angle sum property of triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. B is already 90 degree. So sum of A and C should be 90 degree. If A is 45, C also 45 degree. Now this triangle becomes an isosceles triangle because two angles are same. A and C are same. Then it becomes an isosceles triangle. And for an isosceles triangle, angles of sides opposite to equal angles are same. Here these A and C are equal angles. So side opposite to angle A is BC equal to side opposite to angle C, that is AB. So AB equal to BC. Now take AB equal to A. Then BC also A, because this is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to A. Now find out the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB A, BC A. So AC square equal to A square plus A square equal to 2A square. AC equal to root 2A. Now we got all the three sides. Here A, AC, root 2A. Now find out the six trigonometric ratios. First one, sine. Sine A. Here A is 45. Sine 45 equal to opposite of A, or 45 is BC, that is A. Hypotenuse AC, that is root 2A. So A by root 2A. Sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse A by root 2A equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent A, hypotenuse root 2A. A by root 2A equal to 1 by root 2. So sin 45 equal to cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Next tan 45. Tan 45 is sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 equal to 1. Or tan 45 is opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is BC equal to A. Adjacent side also same A. So A by A equal to 1. Next cosec 45. Cosec 45 is 1 by sin 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Then cosec 45 root 2. Sec 45 1 by cos 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2. So sec 45 root 2. Cot 45 is 1 by tan 45. Tan 45 1. Therefore cot 45 1 by 1 equal to 1. Next we can find out trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For that, consider an equilateral triangle ABC. For an equilateral triangle, three angles A, B and C are equal. Equilateral triangle sides and angles are equal. All the three sides and all the angles are equal. Sum of three angles are 180 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. Angle A equal to angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. Now draw a perpendicular AD to BC. Now you got two triangles ABD and ACD. These two triangles are congruent by ASA similarity criterion. ASA is angle, side angle. For ABD, angle B equal to angle C for ACD. These two triangles ABD and ACD, angle B equal to angle C, and again angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to 30 degree. Here 30, here 30. So two angles same. And one side for ABD and ACD. Side AD is common. So this side is equal. Two side and two angle and one side equal. That is angle, side, angle. ASA similarity. This you will study in another chapter. So these two triangles are congruent. Therefore BD equal to DC, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. BD equal to DC and angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCT. That is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now take one of the side of equilateral triangle as 2A. Let AB equal to 2A. Then AC equal to 2A, BC equal to 2A. Because for an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. That is AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 2A. Then BD equal to DC equal to A. Total BC is 2A, therefore BD equal to A, DC equal to A. See in this figure. Here 2A, A, 2A. We should find out AD. This ABD becomes a right angle triangle, or ADC becomes a right angle triangle. Take one of the right angle triangle. Here I am taking ABD. Here ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree. So AB is hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. We have to find out AD. So AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. AB is 2A. So AB square 4A square. BD A, therefore BD square A square. 4A square minus A square. 3A square. AD square is 3A square, therefore AD is root 3A. Now you got all the three sides value. Here 2A, here A, here root 3A. Now find out the trigonometric ratios. First find out trigonometric ratios for angle 60 degree. First one is sin 60. Sin is opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin 60, opposite of 60, root 3A. Consider this right angle triangle ABD. So sin 60 is opposite root 3A by hypotenuse 2A. Root 3A by 2A equal to root 3 by 2. Next cos 60, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent A by 2A equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, or tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side. Root 3A by A equal to root 3. Then cosec 60. Cosec 60 is 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, therefore cosec 60 2 by root 3. Sec 60 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2, therefore sec 60 2. Then cot 60 is 1 by tan 60. Tan 60 root 3, therefore cot 60 1 by root 3. From the same triangle we can find out trigonometric ratios for 30 degree also. Here it is 30 degree. So sine 30 is again opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite A, hypotenuse 2A, A by 2A, 1 by 2. Cos 30, adjacent side of 30, root 3A by 2A equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is sine 30 by cos 30, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, or tan 30 is opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side is A, adjacent side root 3A. A by root 3A, 1 by root 3. Cosec 30 is 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 1 by 2, cosec 30 2. Sec 30 is 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2, therefore sec 30 2 by root 3. Then cot 30 is 1 by tan 30. Tan 30 1 by root 3, therefore cot 30 root 3. Next is trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. First is trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. For that, consider right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. And A and C are the acute angles. We are finding out trigonometric ratios for acute angles. Consider the acute angle A. We have to find out trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So A becomes 0 degree. See, we are reducing A to 0. That is AC coincide to AB. See, then A becomes 0. We should find out trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So A should be 0. How to make A 0? That is, it reduce and see in this figure. Reduce, at last it becomes 0. That is AC equal to AB, then angle A becomes 0. Then what is BC? Then BC is 0 and AC equal to AB. When angle A equal to 0, AC equal to AB and BC equal to 0. Now find out the trigonometric ratios. So sin A, we are finding out trigonometric ratios for angle A. Here angle becomes 0. So what is sin A? Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Here we are finding out sin 0. Then A becomes 0, sin 0. Then A is 0, AC equal to AB and BC equal to 0. So BC by AC, BC 0, substitute values. BC 0, 0 by AC. 0 by AC is 0. Then cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Then cos 0, A becomes 0. When A is 0, AC equal to AB and BC equal to 0. So when cos 0, what happened? AC equal to AB, AB equal to AC, AC equal to AB, then AB by AB, AB by AB equal to 1. So cos 0 is 1. Now tan 0 is sin 0 by cos 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, 0 by 1 0. Cosec 0 is 1 by sin 0, sin 0 is 0, 1 by sin 0, 1 by 0. That is not defined. 1 by 0 we cannot define. Next sec 0 is 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 1 by cos 0, 1 by 1 equal to 1. Last cot 0 is 1 by tan 0. Tan 0 you got 0, therefore cot 0 1 by 0. So that also not defined. Next, trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Again consider the angle, one of the acute angle. We are considering the acute angle A. Now A should be 90 degree. We are finding out trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. So A should be 90. A 90, here also 90. then total 180 degree, here 90, here 90, so this becomes 0. To make this angle 90 degree, see, we should move A to B, that is BC becomes AC. AC equal to BC. AC and BC coincide. Then A becomes 90 degree. See, total 180 degree, here 90 degree. We should find out trigonometric ratios for 90 degree. So when this 90 degree, here also 90 degree, total 180 degree. Now it becomes 90 plus 90, 180 degree, then it should be 0. That time what happened? This AC coincides BC, that is AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC, and what is AB? Now AB becomes 0. There is nothing here. AB becomes 0. So when A is 90 degree, AC equal to BC and AB equal to 0. Now find out the trigonometric ratios. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse BC by AC. When A equal to 90 degree, sin 90 equal to BC by AC. Here, now what happened? BC becomes AC when A is 90 degree. So sin 90 equal to BC by BC equal to 1. Next, cos A. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent AB, hypotenuse AC. Cos A is AB by AC. Then A is 90 degree. AC equal to BC and AB 0. So AB 0. So cos 90 equal to 0 by AC. 0 by AC is 0. Then tan 90. Tan 90 is sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 1, cos 90 0. So tan 90 1 by 0. That cannot be defined. Cosec 90. Cosec 90 is 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 1, cosec 90 1 by 1 equal to 1. Then sec 90 is 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 0. Therefore sec 90 1 by 0, that also not defined. Last one, cot 90. Cot 90 is 1 by tan 90. Tan 90 not defined, or 1 by 0. So cot 90 is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 equal to 0. Next video, trick to remember trigonometric ratios. We should remember all the trigonometric ratios, that is for angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. That I will explain in next video. Thank you.